Hi everyone, it's Lucy from We Love Renters. Just doing a quick walkthrough of our property which is becoming available at Lamont Grove, which is almost ready. So this is the freshly done living area. This is the living room, lovely patio doors, really nice feature, lovely bookcase with extra storage, nice and airy room. So just leading on to the kitchen, we do have work still going on in here, but just wanted to give you a quick update. So the new flooring's gone in with all of the new decoration. So as you can see, there's plenty of unit space, lovely tiles, freshly painted ceilings and walls, with a door out to the back garden, which will be replaced into a garden area, which there are sheds for additional storage. Just leading up the stairs to the bedrooms. As you can see, all the carpets have just been freshly laid. We're just going to go into the smaller of the two bedrooms. As you can see, they've got lovely double-doored wardrobes and a lovely large bedroom space with a little bit of extra space around the side, overlooking a lovely garden area. So leading through from the bedroom over the hall to the family bathroom, which has all had new cladding, has a big family bath with an overbath shower, towel rails and radiators, very nicely decorated. Like I said, it's all freshly painted, fresh new floor. Just off from the bathroom is the larger of the two bedrooms. Lovely double bedroom in here with some extra storage space here. Big lovely bedroom with storage on top of here for things like televisions. Lovely great big airy window,